So that's a look at what the storm system can do.
Exactly.
The question is it going to be the same type of thing here?
Once again, we have the possibility that we were talking about tornadoes today. We're talking tornadoes, isolated at that, but still a tornado is a tornado. We don't want to see anything, but the possibility is there. And also damaging gusty winds. That's what we'll be dealing with. Right now, we just have plain rain across the board. And you know what would be great is if we had more rain, because that would basically take a lot of the energy out of the atmosphere. So if we did have more rain coming in across much of the area, then again, that would seep up and sap the energy of the atmosphere for that next round this afternoon. But it's not looking like that so much. We do have areas and pockets of some rain coming in across the area this morning. I'll zoom in to this one that I'm speaking of. Now this is crossing the border heading into Pennsylvania at this point, but still some heavier rain coming in around Manchester as of now. So I widen out the view and you can see, again, not a whole lot of rain at this point. We have dry times and then more rain, and that dry times lets the atmosphere regenerate, if you will, especially if we have some sunshine out there, and that's not going to be good for us. So let's hope that we do keep at least the cloud cover on top of us for today. Back off towards the west, still spinning in some rain across the Ohio Valley and down off towards the south as well into Florida. At the surface, warm front will continue to make its way off to the north, and that cold front will move through the area later, and that's what's going to help us with more thunderstorm activity, and again, some of that turning severe as we go more towards the afternoon. So the biggest threat, once again, damaging winds, and also an isolated tornado is possible. On a scale of 1 to 5, we are in a risk of 2 as we go through the rest of today. So that is a slight risk for us. So the timing of this system, the worst of it will be in, I'd say, between 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock this evening. After that, things will dry out. We'll get more sunshine in the forecast as we head into your Saturday, but it is going to be quite gusty on Saturday. Speaking of the gusts, it's exactly what we're going to be dealing with for today. The rain potential, about a half an inch to an inch in most spots, but we could see maybe even higher than that locally and some other spots. So again, we'll keep our eyes peeled for that as well. But the gusts today will be up to about 30 to 35 miles an hour. As we head into tomorrow, we could have those gusts up to about 35, maybe even 40 miles an hour. Temperatures right now in the upper 50s, the mid 50s, and these numbers are above the average of 46 degrees. So once again, that trend is out there for today. The showers and storms, that's going to be the name of the game as we go through the rest of today. Once again, that timing of the worst of it between 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock this evening. The 7-day forecast looks like this as we see these temperatures on the cooler side as we head into your Monday. Also, when you wake up tomorrow morning, guys, be prepared for some chillier conditions before that sunshine does really come out. And once again, it is going to be quite windy on your Saturday, but dry. Let's go check the traffic with Lauren.
Thanks, Lynette. If you're